Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Mdevaan and today I'll be making poundo yam flour. I'll be making poundo with poundo yam flour. So I picked this up in the supermarket. First of all, I've never tried poundo flour before. I just feel like if you're going to eat pounded yam, eat pounded yam. But then I realized that when you leave, when you're not living with people that will pound the yam, you have to think of alternatives. So this is an alternative to pounded yam. This is the flour which is made from a yam. Okay, so I'm just going to basically wing this like semo because I've never used pound of flour before, but I'm guessing it's the same thing. I checked the directions and all of that, and it said just to, you know, boil water, put it on the fire, in 3 minutes it will be done. But for me, things are never about 3 minutes because I have to take my time to explain. I'm sorry, I used a bowl with a white interior. I discovered when I was editing that I should have used a bowl with a colored interior. So basically, I poured in a few spoonfuls of the powder and then I'm mixing it with cold water just to get a smooth consistency, which I'm going to pour into my hot water and mix. That is all that there is to this. So for me, poundo flour is just all about convenience and ease. When I used to work in a hotel, this is what we used, but I was never directly like working in the kitchen per se. I was more of service and reception and bar duties. So I won't say I have used pound of flour. I'll just say I've been around the kitchen when it's being used, but this is my first time of actually using it in my own home. So I'm just mixing this out. It thickened quite quickly, and I was a bit worried about it being uncooked or becoming too soft. So yeah, basically all I did was just kept turning this and adding water and then adding flour, basically just like semo. The only difference is I've never used this brand before and I wanted to be sure that I got it right. And also I've never filmed myself doing the swallow. I think I just have the eba swallow for now, so this is our second swallow and I'll work on making more videos on amala, wheat, etc. So I added a bit more water and a bit more flour. A friend of mine usually says, "Has your honor cooked if it has not burnt?" So that's the rule I was using here to apply. So I was like, okay, if we've not started burning, we've not started cooking. So yeah, basically this is just a one-sized meal. So I just keep turning that and making sure that I get the strong consistency that I want. I don't think poundo flour would ever give you the feel of pounded yam, but it's much lighter and I'm guessing much healthier. I'm not sure about that. I don't think they add any additives in poundo flour. It's just the yam flour basically. So I would say it's much lighter. You don't get that heavy feeling of that you get after you eat heavy pounded yam. So yes, our pound of flour is ready. I feel like when it's leaving the pot and it's just following the turning stick is ready. So yeah, that's that and we are done. So now you can dish this if you have energy. Like when you're on Instagram you see swallows made like thighs, made like mortar and pestle, made like bow ties. If you have energy, please design your swallow. But if you are like me, rinse a bowl, pop it into the bowl and let it take the shape of the bowl because this life is too short to come and be suffering on top swallow that you are going to eat immediately. So unless it's for presentation, and which this isn't, just pop it into a well watered bowl so that it doesn't stick to the sides of the bowl. Make sure you take everything that you want to use out of the pot and then basically just mesh it in and let it take the shape of the bowl and your poundo is ready for service. This can be eaten with any kind of soup that you want. Swallows. Which soups do I have on this channel? We have okra soup. We have soups. So I have okra, I have atv, I have poultry. In fact, I have so many soups. Please just scroll through my my channel. You see soups that you can enjoy with this. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe button. I love you. And if you want to know how to wash this pot quickly, let me know.